Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can manage your Airtable account table. So let's start. If you want to rename a table, if you want to delete a table, or if you want to move a table, you can also do that. So let's see how we can do these all things. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the table, and after going to the table, we need to click on this type of arrow. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, import data. If you want to import a data from anywhere, you can also do that. If you want to rename a table, then you have to click on the rename a table. If you want to hide the table, you have to click on this and you will be able to hide the table. If you want to create a duplicate table, if you want to edit this theme option means that this is the paid one. If you want to use this option, you need to buy the premium one. So if you want to clear data, if you want to delete table, you can also do that. So in this way, you can manage your table, delete or rename whatever you want. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can manage your table on Airtable. So see you guys in the next video.